first mate sa Groves Attack opening. So before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel to be updated with my next videos. So back to the Groves Attack opening. Groves Attack opening started with G2 to G4. Then black responds with E7 to E5. Then white second move is F2 to F3, preventing black's pawn in advancing to E4 square. So sa second move ng black, automatic checkmate yung white. So ano yung second move ng black? Second move ng black is to win B8 to H4. Checkmate. Checkmate siya kasi yung king hindi pwede mag-move kasi check na queen pa rin. Then, walang any possible movers. Hindi pwede cover yung bishop. Kasi yung move ng bishop is diagonal. So, dito lang pwede yung bishop. Then, yung knight hindi pwede cover. Kasi yung move ng knight is L-shape. So, yan. Automatic checkmate na yung white. And ito yung tinatawag na two moves checkmate or only known as full swing. That's all guys. Thank you.